Welcome to Video 6, Denominated Numbers and Unit Conversions. This video covers how to convert between units of length, mass, temperature, and pressure, all of which appear in the EASA Part-66 exam. A denominated number is a number with a unit attached: 45 kilograms, 12.5 meters, 101,325 pascals, 25 degrees Celsius. The key principle is that when you convert between units, the actual quantity does not change, only the way you express it. Starting with metric length. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, which equals 100,000 centimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, or 1,000 millimeters. For imperial and mixed conversions, 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. 1 foot equals 12 inches, or 0.3048 meters. 1 nautical mile, which is used in aviation, equals 1.852 kilometers. For mass, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. 1 pound equals 0.4536 kilograms. 1 kilogram equals 2.205 pounds. Note that in aviation, weight and mass are often used interchangeably, but strictly speaking, weight is a force equal to mass times 9.81 meters per second squared. There are 3 temperature scales: Celsius. Water freezes at 0 and boils at 100. Fahrenheit. Water freezes at 32 and boils at 212. Kelvin. Starts at absolute 0, 0 K, which equals negative 273.15 Celsius. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply by 9/5, then add 32. To convert back, subtract 32, then multiply by 5/9. To convert to Kelvin, simply add 273.15. Pressure equals force divided by area. The SI unit is the Pascal. Standard atmospheric pressure is 101,325 pascals. Here are the key pressure conversions. 1 bar equals 100,000 pascals, or about 14.5 psi. 1 standard atmosphere equals 101,325 pascals, or 14.696 psi. 1 psi equals 6,895 pascals. Inches of mercury, or INHG, is used for altimeter settings in aviation. Pause now and try this. An aircraft cabin temperature is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Convert this to Celsius. Then convert your answer to Kelvin. To convert 68 Fahrenheit to Celsius, subtract 32 to get 36. Then multiply by 5/9 to get 20 Celsius. To convert to Kelvin, add 273.15 to get 293.15 Kelvin. Question 1. Convert 2.5 kilometers to meters. Pause and choose your answer. The answer is B, 2,500 meters. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, so 2.5 times 1,000 equals 2,500 meters. Question 2. Convert negative 40 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Pause and choose your answer. The answer is A, negative 40 Fahrenheit. F equals c times 9 over 5 plus 32. Negative 40 times 9 over 5 is negative 72, plus 32 equals negative 40. Negative 40 is the only temperature where Celsius equals Fahrenheit. Question 3. What is 1 bar in pascals? Pause and choose your answer. The answer is C, 100,000 pascals. 1 bar equals exactly 100,000 pascals, or 100 kilopascals. Note that 1 atmosphere is 101,325 pascals, which is slightly more than 1 bar. Here is your reference card for unit conversions. For length, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, 1 nautical mile is 1.852 kilometers. For mass, 1 kilogram is 2.205 pounds. For temperature, F equals C times 9 over 5 plus 32. For pressure, 1 bar is 100,000 pascals, 1 atmosphere is 101,325. That is video 6 complete. You can now convert between the key units used in aviation: length, mass, temperature, and pressure. Video 7 covers areas of all shapes with aviation examples.